Most people buy an office chair the wrong way, and that single mistake is why they end up uncomfortable or even buying twice. If you're setting up a home office or replacing an old chair, this is one decision that affects your comfort every single day. The problem isn't that there are bad office chairs. The problem is choosing the wrong type of chair for how you actually work and your needs. Most people focus on looks, brand names, or price. But none of those matter if the chair doesn't match your daily usage. A chair that feels fine for 1 or 2 hours can become a serious problem if you sit for 6, 8, or even more hours a day. That's why so many people regret their purchase after a few weeks. So, let's talk about what to consider when deciding what type of office chair to get, and what to look for when doing so. When choosing an office chair, only 3 things really matter. First, how many hours you sit per day. Think a little and estimate how many hours you actually sit on the chair. Occasional use and full-time work require very different chairs. Second, adjustability. Seat height, armrest height, and back support matter far more than materials or design. And third, your posture habits. If you tend to lean forward or sit for long focused sessions, support becomes critical. If you get these 3 things right, almost any decent chair in the right category will work. You don't need to chase expensive labels or trendy designs. If the fundamentals already match how you sit and work. For most people working from home, the best choice is a mid-range ergonomic office chair. This category is designed specifically for daily desk use. Without unnecessary complexity or excessive cost, these chairs usually include adjustable seat height, basic lumbar support, and armrests that can move up and down. Some may also allow slight recline or tilt, which helps reduce stiffness during long sessions. They don't look flashy, but they're designed for comfort over several hours of work. The focus is on function, not appearance, and that's exactly what most home workers need. This is the category where most people should spend their money, because it balances comfort, durability, and price. You get meaningful ergonomic benefits without paying for features you may never touch. If you work 8 hours or more at your desk, or if you already deal with back discomfort, you'll want a fully adjustable ergonomic chair. At that point, fine-tuning how you sit becomes essential. These chairs offer stronger lumbar support, better weight distribution, and more control over how you sit throughout the day. You can adjust depth, tension, and recline to better match your body and work style. They cost more upfront, but they often last longer and can prevent discomfort that leads to lost productivity. Over time, that added comfort can make a real difference in how you feel at the end of each workday. For heavy daily use, this is usually the smarter long-term choice. It's an investment in both comfort and consistency. On the other hand, if you only sit at a desk occasionally, you don't need a high-end chair. Buying more than you need won't improve your experience. In that case, focus on basic comfort, proper seat height, and simple back support. These elements are enough for light, infrequent use. Avoid extremely cheap chairs with no adjustments, but don't overbuy features you'll never use. A simple, well-built chair will serve you better than a complex one that doesn't fit your routine. The right office chair isn't about trends or brand names. It's about how you actually work, day after day, and choosing something that supports that reality consistently. I've added links in the description to a few solid office chair options across different price ranges, so you can compare features, check specifications, and see what fits your setup best. This makes it easier to narrow things down without having to search endlessly on your own. Each option covers a different budget and use case, so whether you're upgrading a home office or setting up a desk for occasional work, you'll have a clear starting point. Choosing the right chair once is much easier than fixing a bad choice later. A little time spent comparing now can save you discomfort, frustration, and unnecessary replacements down the line. If you have enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. This way you can see other videos that might help you choose in your life. From workspace essentials to practical decisions that make everyday work easier.